Written by Prisca Onyinye Nwokorie. As I begin to articulate what I know as truth, I stand the consequence. 'Cause my life on earth would wither with time and season, I resist giving in to reality. And at other times, I hold on to what I cherish, knowing I am on transit. I cherish each day as a bonus. Sometimes I lift my hands and wave to my past. As I live in my present, in God lies my future. I have nothing to worry. I'm only an imprint of His divinity. I know I will one day say goodbye, but now I say welcome and goodbye. All at the same time. I am only on transit. I know not the length of the journey. I can tell you my story now. The rest of the trip remains a mystery, and I know not what's in stock for me. I don't know what I may see on the way. My conviction is that I'm not alone on this voyage of eternity. I am in the company of my guardian angel, my patron saint, and the Blessed Mother Mary. The Sacred Heart of Jesus is my guide. I have sufficient food to sustain me, the Eucharistic bread from Jesus' last meal, deposited at the tabernacle of my heart. My life has taken on new level of devotion. My purpose for the journey more illuminated. God's gift on me is not a waste. God is at the center of my existence. I am true to my commitment in Him. He is very much committed to me. Some days will be harder than others. My assurance is His guidance in adversity. Jesus is the imprint I follow.